I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to Miss LPD's channel called I'm Every Woman. I'm a mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend, a colleague, and a lover. It's all in me. So if you're looking for all things women, sit back, relax, and enjoy. That's not to say if you're not a woman, you're not welcome to my channel. You are more than welcome. The more the merrier, especially if you want to understand the women in your life a little better. I was trying to zoom into that bird that always disturbs me. It's a cute yellow bird. It's busy right now making its nest. So I was hoping if I zoom, I'll be able to see it. I'm so lucky to be staying where there's lots of trees. We have our own little forest, which houses a lot of birds, different species of birds. They wake me up in the morning. They're busy chirping during the day, making nice therapeutic sounds. When I want to uplift my mood, I like taking a walk around and admiring all the trees, all the flowers, the grass, everything. Hey, Masumdala is you tend to take such things seriously. You tend to be intentional about appreciating such things. When you're younger, busy, being young and restless. Masumdala, that's when you get time and start appreciating such things. Nature is absolutely beautiful, guys. Beautiful. The weather again has been fire and ice, warm and then cold the following day. So on this particular day, it was a bit chilly, so I decided to bake some vanilla muffins. There's the recipe there, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Very therapeutic for me. The kitchen is very therapeutic for me, and flour is my biggest downfall. Sometimes I wish I was allergic to flour, because gosh, probably if I wasn't eating any flour or not eating it as much as I do, I'm be a much trimmer. But I was happy that my muffins came out perfectly, nice and moist and soft and absolutely delicious. You can add more sugar. I mean, I tend to sugar so that's why I only used a 3/4 cup of sugar. But you can add more. So I didn't only bake on this day, I also made myself some beef stew. Did you know that you can use coffee to brown your stew and to thicken it? It gives it a roasted flavor. Not too much. Be careful not to put too much, like maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon should be fine. I also had added some fresh tomatoes. Do not always rely on tomato paste to thicken your soup, because they have preservatives. Try to always use fresh ingredients when you cook, especially given our age. Plus, I'm senior citizens, well, most of us who are watching this, so we need to go for healthier options each time when you cook or when we eat. Now my stew here was nice and thick. Because I'm bay leaves, I'd added some bay leaves there. The usual, my garlic and things. Carrots, as you can see. Towards the end of the cooking process, you can add onions and herbs, ngoba they lose the taste. The flavor gets lost during all the simmering and stuff. So it's important to also add towards the end, just to bring out that kick of flavor. I do this all the time, and people always wonder why my food is always tasty. Yeah. That's the secret. Your food becomes more flavorful, more tastier if you add your flavorings towards the end as well. And I was going to enjoy this delicious stew with uje, steamed bread. So I was preparing it here the usual way. I don't want to bore you with all the details. There it is. Came out beautifully. I also added some sweet corn or uje gawami. I'm going to show you the recipe. Obviously, it's nice and soft and really, really delicious to eat. So there's the recipe. The egg helps to bind the sweet corn together with the flour. Rule of thumb for me when I'm making ujeke: 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then everything is nice and balanced. And of course, salt. Do not forget the salt. Very important. A bit of oil if you want as well, but it's not very important. If you knead it nicely, if you over there's no need for any oil. You over twice, make it go. Kukumali twice, then it's gonna be nice and soft. After stuffing my face with all that flour, ujima after this, ujima engathi ngiyongenela Miss South Africa the following day. On this day, kangifake music wa Beyonce. Hey B, I don't care what you say about this girl. I love this mama. I love Beyonce. So, uma sengishala my style njena ke so sekitshela ukuthi nguBeyonce. The way I love that woman, I admire her talent. She's amazingly talented and committed to her craft. Yeah, masengishaya lezi sengisonga uBeyonce ngitshela ukuthi I'm a hot mama, hot like Beyonce. Anyway, back to the gym. sengathi akuveli nje ukuthi ngijubeke kanjani. Can you all see just how wet I am from beads of perspiration, from all the sweat? Damn, I worked hard and I'm super proud of myself. I'm super proud of myself. It's not easy. But even if you put in just 15 minutes, 15 minutes 4 times a week, not bad. At least you got the body moving. At least you got the heart beating. Small steps, baby steps. Eventually, you're gonna get there, regardless of your age. But of course, you gotta take it easy. Don't break those bones. Oh, but it's such fun. You have no idea the amount of endorphins I feel right now. Endorphins, the happy hormones, they get released when you do, physically taxing exercises like this, especially with me, because my workouts usually are accompanied by good music. So by the time I finish, I feel like I'm on top of the world, like I don't have no problems, my dear. But I just feel fantastic after a good workout. So try it. And then drinking water will just come naturally as well, And some of you out there do really battle with drinking water, me, I'm a lover of water. I'm always drinking water, whether I'm exercising or not. I just always enjoy water. I really enjoy water. In fact, I've never understood people who don't enjoy water, because how can you not enjoy water? What is so? Even more now, now that the sun is out. For me, even in winter, I go for warm water. Well, even in summer, actually, even spring, summer, I still go for warm water in the mornings and in the evenings. But water is life, guys. Water is life. You gotta drink water to bring out the glow, to flush out all those toxins and all those poisons that build up in the body because of the kind of lifestyle that we live, the kind of foods that we eat, that you consume. So we need plenty of water to flush out all of those. Water is a diuretic. If I'm pronouncing that right, diuretic. Yeah, diuretic. So you will also find yourself excreting more than just number one, if you know what I mean. It encourages the excretion of solids as well from your body. So it's not only that you keep going to the loo to do number one. You find yourself doing more number two if you exercise and drink more water. So cheers, everybody. Cheers to drinking more water. Cheers to more workouts. Cheers to more endorphins, because we could do lots of endorphins. Yay! This life is tough. But yeah, because, even if you there's no excuse. If you can't afford the gym, like me, I can't afford the gym at the moment. You can do the exercises at home. You can do your workout at home in front of your TV. I also enjoy doing road work, I enjoy jogging and walking, fast walking in the fresh air. I also enjoy that. I haven't done that in a long time. Now that the sun is out, it's no excuse. I have to start resuming my road work. Cheers, everybody. I came across this book called God's Daily Promises for Women. It's a book with daily scriptures from the 1st of January till the 31st of December. So you are meant to read it every day. It's especially designed for women. It was a special gift from a special friend. She gifted me this many, many years ago when I was going through a really tough time. I'm sure she's even forgotten that she gave me this book. Hey, Mrs. G. Yeah, so I decided to go and read on the scripture for the first of November. Do you know why? Because the 1st of November is my birthday. So November is my birthday month. As much as we welcome the festive season, summertime, fabulous times, happy times, for me it's also my birthday month. So I really love this time of the year for me. So when I went to read on the 1st of November, I found that the title says blessings. So I'm expecting blessings in the month of November, which is my birthday month. Let's see what today's promise says. Blessings. Today's promise. How joyful are those who fear the Lord, all who follow his ways. How joyful are those who fear the Lord, all who follow his ways. Psalm 128, verse 1. Today's thoughts. Throughout the Bible, you find a simple but profound principle. Obeying God brings blessing, and disobeying God brings misfortune. But be careful not to think of these blessings in terms only of material possessions. The greatest blessings are far more valuable than money or possessions. They come in the form of joy, family, relationships, a well-functioning home, peace of mind, spiritual gifts, and the confidence of eternal life. A life focused on God brings joy to God and many blessings to you. The more you trust and obey God, the more you will experience the blessings He gives. Beautiful, wonderful. So, guys, now we know when you're talking about blessings, don't expect them only to come in the form of monetary value, in the form of ka-ching. I have not seen this book in such a long time. I was super excited when I came across it from my things, and all those things that you hide right at the back of your wardrobe. So I came across it, so I'm gonna get back to reading it. And it's how interesting that I found it now in November, my special month, and I could use a lot of motivation actually at this time in my life. You always need motivation, just to revive our faith, our spirituality, to stay excited and hopeful about our lives and our future. So perhaps you could consider getting yourself one of these, because hey, it's not easy. Hey, it's not easy being a woman. Not that it's easier being a man, but as women, we go through a lot. We take a lot of. I nearly, uh, I nearly used the swear word, but yeah, we there's a lot on our plates, and there's so many expectations, and we get judged all the time. The way we look, the way we talk, the way we walk, the way we dress, the way you know, and then on top of that, there's all kinds of expectations that are put upon us. You're always expected to deliver. You're always expected to wear many hats. You're always expected to be this and that. It's just not easy, as we all know. So, if you have a little book like this one, it could help to motivate you and keep you on track, because it's so easy to find yourself derailing, to find yourself going left instead of going right. It's so easy because sometimes you just get overwhelmed by too many problems. Hey, I wouldn't see my fast. And now that the festives, I mean, not just the festive season, Christmas is approaching. Oh my goodness. For some women, it's not a very happy time for them. Lucky for me, I've always enjoyed Christmas, regardless of all the pressure that it comes with, because it's when you do reflection as well. It's the end of the year and realizing all the things we're not able to achieve and wanting to make your family happy, your children happy, to keep them entertained. And all those things require money, especially those of us abasinga makoduga, come Christmas time, we always go home, go back to the homelands to spend time with family over the Christmas period. All that requires money. And if you don't have it, hey, can be quite tricky. But I survive. Here we are, we're still standing. I always stand during the festive season, money or no money. But I just get excited. At the end of the day, guys, we really should appreciate and be happy and be grateful. We're still alive, you know. Go on Subuga from the beginning of the year, how many people are not with us anymore? If you're still alive, that's the first and the most important thing to appreciate and be grateful for. And if you're lucky to not have any health issues, also that's a huge bonus. Um, there's always something to be excited about. Just try to find that thing and hold on to it for dear life. Go back, hey, kuningi esibhekana nakho, but we have to remain strong. For me, I like to look good and feel, sexy and attractive. Just really boost my it really boosts my self-esteem when I look good. I've mentioned this before that I've got mirrors everywhere in my house because I like looking at myself each time and think, damn, I look good. So as if I don't look good, I can do something about it. So let's not look like our problems. Let's always strive to look like we got it going on, like we've got it together, even when we don't really have it together. But they won't be able to tell if we look fly. And we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope to see you soon. Those who are seeing me for the first time and you think you enjoyed what you had to see, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I've uploaded a video. Well, take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Enjoy the festive season, but stay safe. Okay? We all want to be in one piece come Christmas time. And of course, New Year's Eve. Stay living and stay woke. Bye.
I am every